This video demonstrates the E840-EC05 TCP client transparent transmission tutorial, including net traversal tutorial. To ensure the demonstration proceeds smoothly, we have prepared the following materials. First is the net traversal tutorial. Click to open the Network Debugging Assistant. Select TCP server as the protocol type. Choose a local host IP address that has internet access. The port number can be set arbitrarily, as long as it is not already in use. This tutorial uses port 1000. Click Open to create the local server. Double-click to open or APNuffle. After registering and logging in, click Net Traversal. Please follow the software guide to register and log in. Click the plus icon, then enter the internal host IP address and host port on the pop-up page. Select TCP as the mapping protocol. The domain name and port can be configured as needed. This tutorial uses the free domain name and free port. Click OK to create the NAT mapping. After creation, the mapping will be visible in the software. In the details, you can copy the public access address and port. Record the mapped address. The NAT traversal configuration is now complete. Next, configure the D2. Insert the 4-gram SIM card into the D2. Connect the antenna. Connect the power positive and negative wires as labeled "Do not power on yet." Connect the USB to 485 adapter to the E840-EC05 485 with a 2A and B to B. Connect the device to the computer and power it on. Click to open the EBT configDL configuration software. Select the model E840-D2-EC05 485. Select the corresponding COM port. Open the port using the default parameters 115,208 and 1. Click Enter Configuration. The log panel on the right shows that mode is entered successfully. Click Read Parameters to load the default parameters. Click the Link 1 tab. In the Link Basic Parameters, select TPC as the connection type. Enter the previously recorded public access address as the server address. Enter the previously recorded port 20,656. Keep other parameters at default. Click Save Parameters. Click Restart Device to apply the saved parameters. After restarting, the device will automatically attempt to connect to the server and enter transmission mode. The link indicator stays on, indicating a successful connection to the internal server. The Network Debugging Assistant shows that a client has connected. The E840-D2-EC05 485 configuration is complete. Open the Serial Debugging Assistant. Open the serial port with 115,208 and 1 as well. Send data in the Serial Debugging Assistant and send data in the Network Debugging Assistant. Send data in the Network Debugging Assistant and the Serial Debugging Assistant receives the data.